We don't have so many resources to invest in innovation. And when you are participating with partners, university, digital innovation hub, competence center, you are creating a network, and this is extremely important. This is crucial. Right now, we are participating to a project that is for 3D printers for metal with Prima Power, that is a company that is producing this machine. And we try to participate with a project that is also changing the business model. Of course, this kind of test, we won't have the resources alone to do it. But in this project, you have the opportunity to meet interesting people and try to experiment something different.
The start for us was very difficult because we were not used to create innovative products. We had no product designers, etc. But at a certain moment we had a first product, and afterwards we stick to the plan to create products that were outstanding. So my goal was to be different than the others. So what we do is what others don't do. To achieve this goal, we had quite some challenges in production, meaning that if you're creative, if you're too creative, let's say, it can be very destructive in a production environment. So we needed to invest in the right people, in the right machines. So we have state-of-the-art machines with whom we can produce in an industrial way, small series, and customize for our customers without them having to invest in molds or specific machines. We also needed to invest in the right people with the right skills, and certainly also that are aware of the fact that they need to be flexible, that are able to go with the flow of an innovative and creative company or environment, let's say.
For instance, on the network, we really believe that you need to stay close to your core capabilities and build a network of trusted partners, which will make you even more powerful. For that reason, and actually the Bridge has been an accelerator in that partnership, because we got involved in many renowned companies, from R&D, universities to multinationals. But 2 years ago, we started a consortium on Integrat, and it's EU funded by Horizon 2020. And the goal of that project is really to achieve a fully digital thread for wire arc additive manufacturing, all the way from design to a certified part.
The key action leading to the breakout here was changing the culture in the factory, making innovation the important thing, and we began producing silos after the lean principle that led to making it with robots, so that the production now is only made with robots for all of our silos.
This is one decision we took at the end of 2009. And it's a simple one. We decided to put as a standard our black box for sending all the data of every machine into the cloud. The decision, I think, was good, because we suddenly start having a lot of data from everywhere in the world, and I know it's not a very technological answer, but it was a shift of mind, mostly inside the company.
People empowerment as our approach in the business. We also set the budget for mistakes, and that's of course in parentheses, to make sure that people are not afraid to make the change, and they are not afraid to make mistakes. What is extremely important for us is to make sure that once there is a mistake, we openly discuss this, we openly look for root causes. The last point that I would say is that very open communication is key. So in our business, anybody can challenge CEO's views or decisions. The CEO of Base Group is not afraid to discuss this, and we want all the leaders to be ready for such discussions with anybody.